test drive the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, backup camera, cruise control, airbags, front knee, universal garage door opener, trip computer, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.